Big news for creators and tech lovers. DJI's next pocket-sized powerhouse is coming, and the leaks are already shaking up the camera world. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has had its price and release date leaked, and if the rumors are true, this little device could completely change the way we capture content in 2025. From a rumored 1-inch sensor upgrade and possible 8K video recording to next-level stabilization and smarter audio features, this isn't just a small step forward. It could be DJI's biggest leap yet for portable filmmaking, and in this video, we're breaking down everything we know so far. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The leaked price, the expected release date, the features that might make it the ultimate vlogging camera, and how it stacks up against the Osmo Pocket 3 and its competition. So, is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 going to be the camera upgrade every creator has been waiting for? Let's dive in. The world of compact cameras is buzzing once again, and this time it's all about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Whenever DJI prepares to launch a new product, the tech community, creators, and vloggers immediately pay attention. DJI has built a strong reputation for pushing the boundaries of portable filmmaking, and with the Osmo Pocket line, the company has redefined what a handheld gimbal camera can achieve. Now, with leaks about the price and release date of the highly anticipated Osmo Pocket 4 circulating online, enthusiasts are speculating about what DJI has in store. This isn't just another camera upgrade. It's shaping up to be a major leap forward for creators who rely on portability without sacrificing cinematic quality. The Osmo Pocket series has always stood out for being uniquely compact, fitting advanced stabilization and impressive image quality into a device that literally fits in your pocket. The first-generation Osmo Pocket created an entirely new product category, a true pocket-sized gimbal camera that could rival footage from bulkier setups. The Osmo Pocket 2 refined the formula with better sensors, improved audio, and creator-focused features. The Osmo Pocket 3, released to strong reviews, brought larger sensors, 4K 120 frames per second slow motion, and a swivel touchscreen that transformed usability. Now, according to recent leaks, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is not only coming soon, but its leaked pricing and release timeline suggest DJI wants to dominate the handheld content creation market in 2025. So, what exactly do we know so far? According to multiple credible sources, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to be priced around $599 to $699, depending on the bundle. This positions it slightly higher than the Pocket 3's launch price, but for good reason. Leaks hint at a major hardware upgrade that justifies the increase. In fact, insiders claim that DJI is introducing a new 1-inch sensor, improved low-light performance, and potentially even 8K video recording support. These rumored features would make the Pocket 4 not just a portable option, but a serious professional tool that rivals larger mirrorless cameras in certain scenarios. The leaked pricing indicates that DJI is confident in its value proposition. It's no longer just a niche gadget, but a primary camera for many creators. Equally important is the release date leak. According to sources within the supply chain, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to launch in late November 2025, just in time for the holiday shopping season. This timing makes perfect sense. DJI has a history of releasing major consumer products ahead of the holiday rush, and the Pocket series has always been a favorite gift